Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at the Osmo Dashcam Pro, which is being marketed as Australia's top-rated dashcam. The website claims it features 4K front and rear cameras, enhanced night vision, 24/7 loop recording, and even the ability to zoom in on license plates from a distance. It's presented as a premium device that can protect you on the road, capture every detail, and even be accepted by insurance companies as valid evidence. On the surface, it sounds like a must-have for anyone who drives regularly. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's talk about some concerns. First, the performance claims are a bit unrealistic. While 4K dashcams do exist, the claim that this device can reliably capture license plates from a distance in all lighting conditions is highly exaggerated. In reality, capturing readable plates depends on distance, motion, and lighting, and no compact dashcam can guarantee crystal clear footage at night or from far away in every situation. Similarly, the claim of enhanced night vision and continuous 24/7 recording raises practical concerns. Recording continuously requires a combination of high-capacity memory, reliable power management, and thermal stability. A compact dashcam running 24/7 is likely to overheat or fill storage quickly unless it has very costly features which aren't clearly mentioned. Marketing phrases like peace of mind around the clock exaggerate how practical this is in real-world use. Another claim to be cautious about is the dashcam being officially recognized by Australian insurance providers. While dashcams can sometimes support insurance claims, formal recognition by insurers is rare. Most companies don't certify specific devices. They only accept footage if it meets their internal requirements. Suggesting that it is broadly accepted could give buyers a false sense of security. The pricing and marketing tactics are also worth noting. The website lists the Osmo Dashcam Pro at $399, discounted to $199 today only, with flashing timers and urgency messaging. This is a classic tactic to pressure buyers into quick decisions. While the device may exist, the aggressive discounting and limited time offer hint at a high markup, possibly as part of a dropshipping or low-volume retail model. This is reinforced by a major price discrepancy. The same dashcam is available on Alibaba for just $27.99 to $31.99. That means the website could be sourcing the product cheaply and marking it up heavily for retail. Pairing this with flashy marketing, urgent discounts, and exaggerated claims creates the illusion of a premium, high-demand product, even though the actual device is mass-produced and widely available at a fraction of the price. In conclusion, while the Osmo Dashcam Pro may function as a basic dashcam, its marketing overstates capabilities, insurance acceptance, and reliability. It's advised to be cautious, and while it may not be a 100% scam, these red flags raise serious concerns. Always research products thoroughly, compare prices, and consult a professional before making purchases like this.